This will be a speed test between the OnePlus 5T and the HTC U11. Now both of these phones have been upgraded to Android 8.0 Oreo. And the 5T, this one's the 8GB of RAM model. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on both at the same time. See which one has the faster boot up. Go! And we are in! Womp 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 womp. There's nothing in the background. Go ahead and clear this out. So let's get started with the messaging app. Ooh. Maybe the 5T. The camera. Ooh, 5T again. Calculator. Ooh, I think that was the 5T. The clock. Ooh, 5T again. Play Store. And 5T. Open lift on both. And leave it on that page. eBay on both. Ooh, so close. Open this. And leave it there. Amazon shopping. And 5T slightly out in front. Click on the deal of the day. And leave it on that page. Adobe Acrobat Reader. 5T again. The speed test app. And give that to the 5T. Check the server. And we're on the same one. Start out with the 5T. Mario Run. Both are loading. And ooh, very close, maybe the 5T just a split second faster. We'll tap to begin on both. And I'll just stop the game right there. Angry Birds 2. Logging in on both. And the U11 slightly out in front, but will the 5T catch up? And the U11 is slightly out in front. Stop the game right there. Subway Surf. Both are loading. And ooh, that's a tie. Tap to play on both and leave it there. Temple Run 2. Both are loading. And ooh, which one is out in front? Let's find out right now. And whoo, hella close. We'll tap to play on both and just leave it there. Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. Let's go. See, both are neck and neck right now. And the 5T slightly out in front. Close the game. Twitter on both. Give that to the 5T. Snapchat. 5T. So let's take a look at the multitasking of both devices. Everything's in the background as you can see. Start with Twitter. Ready to tweet. Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. Ready to play. Temple Run 2. Ready to resume. Subway Surf. Ready to resume also. Angry Birds 2. Ready to play. Mario Run. And this game is proceeding right where we left it off. Speed test app. Ready for another speed test. Adobe Acrobat Reader. Ooh, I think that was a little stutter on the U11. Still in RAM on the 5T. Amazon shopping. Still in RAM. eBay on both. And still in RAM on the 5T. U11, a little bit of a stutter. Play Store on both. Right on the Lift app. And the U11, complete refresh or reload. Clock on both. Ready to go. Calculator. Ready to go. The camera. And you guys be the judge. And the messaging app. So hit me up in the comments and let me know what you thought about this matchup. Are you an HTC fan? Do you like HTC phones such as the U11? Or are you team OP5T rocking the 5T or the OnePlus 5 or even the OnePlus 3T? Those phones having 6 or 8 gigabytes of RAM, hella RAM. Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.